Hi, Nookie Books! Yan. I know that you're aware of that this video is a birthday present to you, so happy birthday! And first of all, I just want you to know that I miss you so much. I miss hanging out with you. And we don't do that often because of our schedule conflict. But still, I'm your friend and you can call me whenever. And whatever it is, I'll help you. But I can promise that I'll be there ASAP. But I can promise you that I'll help you whatever it is. Just schedule it. Kasi, di ba, iba-iba tayo ng schedule. Lalo na sa studies. Kaya talaga kitang turuan. Naalala ko yung gusto mo magpaturo ng econ sa atin. Kasi hindi kita maturuan. Pero, yan, schedule natin. Kaya, kung gusto din sa accounting. Para naman kahit pa paano, di ba, pares tayo pasang-awa. And I just hope that your friends is taking good care of you. And I can see that you're happy with them. So, I'm happy that you're happy. And my birthday wish for you is more mature. Make the right decisions. Because you're 18 now and 18 means parang matanda na eh. Papunta ka na dun eh. Dun na sa future na yun. So, when it comes to family, and let's be specific about your sa relationship mo sa mga ate mo, sa lahat ng mga kapatid mo, makipagbati ka na kasi in the end, sila din yung makakasama mo. In the end, sila din yung tutulong sa'yo. So, make the right decisions, makipagbati ka na. And when it comes to studies, huwag ka na magpapetiks-petiks pa. Kasi, eto na yun. Second year na tayo, parang eto na yung gateway natin. At, siguro malulungkot ako kung mawala ka sa AMB. Hindi ko naman sinasabi mawala ka, pero Dane, aral mabuti. And I can help you with that. Next is, yun, 18 ka na. May code ko yun. 18 ka na. Pwede ka na mag-love life. Pwede ka na mag-love life. May sasagutin ka na ba? Kasi 18 ka na. Alam ko, ang dami na nanliligaw sa'yo for past years, lalo na in high school. And, paano ko pag nanligaw sa'yo si Kim? Magiging kayo ba? Ayan, tanong. Liligawan ka ba niya? Joke. Alam ko wish mo ngayon na sana batiin ka niya, na sana bigyan ka niya ng regalo. Lande. Well, yeah, that. Yun nga. Happy birthday. And you deserve to be happy. And you deserve this another life from God. You have to thank Him because He has given you another life. So, when you spend it wisely, huwag ka magpapakamatay. Huwag ka ba nasabi yun? So, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Love you. Ang landi. Hindi nga seryoso. Miss ko na makipagkwentuhan sa'yo. Tawagin mo na ako. Wala ba tayong handa dyan? Kailangan ko kumain. Hindi na ako kumakain ngayon. Happy birthday! Party, party dapat! Yeah! Putek.